Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to extend video in Google Flow. So yeah, what you need to do is just head over to the video which you want to extend. So let's say this one, for example. And now you will see here at the bottom, the first button, extend button. And yeah, just click on it. And then what you need to do is just simply describe here what happens next. So let's say the camera slowly tilts up to reveal the sky, just like that. And now we need to wait a few moments. So this VO3 engine will append the new segment perfectly onto your original video. So now if we take a look into our video, you will see it now that the camera will go up to the sky. And just like that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.